Hey, I wanted to show you what I got for Valentine's Day from my boyfriend. It was the most thoughtful thing. Because he knows I love fish. Now, I've had 3 in here. The solid gold ones. Well, gold and white, I guess. And that was pretty much the limit as far as, I wanted as far as doing water changes and water quality. But he got me 3. There's a, what do you call it, red hat? Oranda, I can't remember. And there's a Fantail that's the same color as those. But that one is mean. So it's gonna go back. So I guess that way I won't replace it. I'll just keep that one and that one. So I'll have 5 and all instead of 6. And this one swims a little funny. You can tell they're all beat up and all. And I should have quarantined them, but they were surprised, and I didn't have a quarantine space set up, so I'm just treating the whole tank. And I think I can nurse that one back to health. Their fins are pretty rough and all that, and I think that one is so cute. And yeah, but that other one in the net, he's just a little bit aggressive and chases them. That's gonna stress them out and make them sick, but I love my Valentine gift. It tickled me that he went to all that trouble. And of course I got a heart candy and cards too. There's my fishies. Bye y'all.